Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add links in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be simply in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, go on left top corner to menus and pages, and here you get everything, right? Every single page and everything. I'll just delete these, like folder here. And what you want to do is just click here, like add link. Like let's go like on to Bear Snack and add a link. When I'm going to do it, you can link it to web address, to page, to anchor. So I can go like which page and it will like go to profile, or I can go with the anchor or top or bottom of the page, or document, or email, phone number, and lightbox. So these are the few ways how we can link it, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.